Hi, welcome to my big board. My name is Spencer Calkins, and I'm going to be giving a presentation on nutrition. What kinds of foods should you eat, and what makes a good meal. So today I'm going to talk about my community service project, ChooseMyPlate.gov, how much of each food group do we need, water, Super Tracker, and then we're going to make a healthy meal. So first of all, for my community service, I decided to do a neighborhood can drive. So I passed out flyers around my neighborhood, and then a week later, I drove around, collected all the food, and after counting it, I had just under 40 pounds of canned food, which I then loaded up and took to Gleaner's Food Bank in Pontiac, Michigan. So now I'm going to talk about ChooseMyPlate.gov. As you can see, Choose My Plate's logo is a plate broken up into 4 quadrants: fruits, vegetables, grains, and protein, and a cup of dairy to the side. So this plate represents how much of each food group you should be eating every day. Grains and vegetables are both around 30%, protein is around 25%, and fruits are about 15%. And then dairy, you should have a few glasses of milk or yogurt every day. So how much should we be eating? We should be eating around 13% fats, 30% protein, and 40% carbohydrates. This will ensure that we get all of our nutrients and maintain a healthy lifestyle. It is also important to exercise at least 3 hours a week. 3 hours a week will keep your body moving, and you should stay in shape. Next, we're going to talk about water. Every day, you should be drinking 1/2 gallon to a gallon of water. Half a gallon is okay if you're not that active. However, you should be drinking a gallon or more if you're very active all the time. What people don't know is that drinking a glass of water before each meal can actually help reduce the amount of calories that you eat. On average, a glass of water before a meal will reduce the amount of calories you eat during that meal by about 75. 75 calories doesn't seem like you're saving all that much. However, by doing this only at dinner for one meal each day for an entire year, you can actually lose about 8 pounds. So next I'm going to talk about supertracker.usda.gov. So SuperTracker is an application made by the USDA that lets you plug in some information about yourself, your age, gender, physical activity level, height, and weight, and then it will recommend how much of each food group you should be eating, as well as your total daily calorie count. Now, you can increase this calorie count by about 200 per day if you want to gain weight gradually, and you can decrease by about 200 per day if you want to lose weight gradually. Differing by more than 400 is dangerous and can lead to rapid weight loss or rapid weight gain, as well as malnutrition and not getting enough nutrients for your body. So now I'll give you all about a minute to do your own Super Tracker, and you can just follow the URL that I have listed up at the top and plug in your information, and see how much you need. Alright, so now I'm gonna cook a meal with you. So this is a very healthy meal that can be made fairly quickly and isn't too involved other than cutting up meat and vegetables. So we're going to be making chicken and vegetable stir fry with rice. All you need is broccoli, onion, mushrooms, a type of meat. I use chicken usually, then rice and sauce. You can also add any kind of vegetable you want, or subtract any of the vegetables that I have in there. It's very open to what you want. And there's hundreds of different kinds of sauces that you can choose from to find one that you enjoy.